Would you look at their cars?
You fucking dope, baby.
Yeah! Excited or super full of energy? Like super mega?
Oh shit, yo, that's pretty cool cars. Pretty cool cars. Alright, anyway, we're gonna go to Coles, get like a toothbrush and shit, some couple of essentials, some breakfast, cause I'm fucking starving, and then I'll update you what we do.
Wow, cars.
Just do some honey jacks. Pretty fucking good, Then we're gonna catch a train to, where are we going? Museum? No, not museum. Fucking Opera House. Yo, we're near the Opera House, and then yo, I'll update you when we're on our ways, though.
That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Pretty on cars.
I'm gonna find our maps, find out where to go, and then I'll update you on where we go and what we do. Shout out to the homie. Fucking it. Yo, so we're just fucking walking around. I'm gonna update you what we do and what we fucking go see, I guess.
Shit looks pretty cool, cars. Wow, cars. Wow. Wow.
Just fucking said that these bikes over here are the way to go. Isn't it those ones? Green and white, right there? Like right there? Oh, the blue and white ones? Yeah. Oh, okay.
No, just the straight white one.
Is there even straight white ones? I thought it was a green one. I thought it was the white and green one. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, they're definitely not the lime ones. Yeah, we're gonna get these bikes and then cruise around on them because fuck, walking my feet are so sore.
Bro, we got the bikes. We fuck it on. Things go pretty hard, yo. I tell you what. Hey, that much for free, mate. Oh, cars. Look at that cars. Alright, then we're gonna ride over there. We're gonna see what's going on over there. They go fucking hard, eh? Like, even from the start, you just wanna boost it. Like, whoa, it just takes off. That's fucking mean cars. Ready? Whoa, let's get the shit out of me. Alright, we're just cruising around. I don't know, doing a bit of this, bit of that, I guess. Oh, bit of a rock to fake you there. Oh. Anyway, I'll update you what we do. Pretty fucking sick, bruh. You seen that shit before, bruh? Hey, bruh, have you seen that before, bruh? That's pretty cool, bruh. Wow, bruh. Wow, cuz.
Fuck, better get absolutely thrashed or fuck, let's go 9:30 in the morning or 5 o'clock somewhere or...
Stop riding the bikes. We're gonna go,
some fucking gym baby coke, you find a park, get absolutely thrashed, probably get back on them and get T-bone by motorbike. I mean, T-bone by car. I mean, hey, what can you really do about it? So they Ravdogslife, baby. Stay, but also
fucking way, yeah! He's going for it.
We're gonna pie in Australia, eh? Fuck.
Yeah, see
do the test, do the test. What's the buoyancy like? What's the buoyancy like? Pick that shit up. Pick it up and see the bottom of it. What's the bottom like?
It's pretty
buoyant, pretty fucking full.
I don't know about the fucking pastry though. Pastry could be a bit more like pastry.
What is it? What kind of pie is it?
Steak and bacon.
Steak and bacon, eh? We'll see how that goes. What is it? What's your update? What's your 1 out of 10?
Oh, it's probably more like 5.
5 out of 5. Rad. So look at that. Looks a bit moisturised, but I mean, hey.
Yeah, it's not like big chunks.
Come on, Aussie, sort your shit out. Anyway,
yeah, I do. We just made it back to the fucking, oh, yeah, nice. Made it back to the hotel because my phone's gonna fucking die. Jack and Ava are gonna take their car to Bondi Beach, so might as well go to the fucking beach, eh?
I'll update you when we get the fuck out of here. The hotel, got like fucking, whoa, hold on, 11 minutes. Alright, is that right? No, 2 minutes.
No.
Hey, yeah, 2 minutes, eh? Yeah, 2 minutes.
The train, shut up, okay? Fuck, I'm trying to update here. Shit. Yo, I'll update you when we get on the train or when we get fucking halfway to Bondi, because we're going to Bondi Junction and then we get a train. Oh, and a fucking, get a bike from there and then just bike to the beach. We're going to try, I'm not really my first fucking Australian beer, but try some of this shit. I know I had the one that everyone fucking drinks is fucking Fearless. I don't understand how people fucking drink that shit out. There's something dry one. Is it this one? No, it's the Carlton Dry. What was the other one?
Nah, drink EMU Export.
Fuck, I don't even know, but fuck, it was terrible last time. Well, let's give this a go, eh? Yeah, it's an alright beer. Still not as good as fucking Belgium and shit out. Like, Euro, you guys fucking got it. You guys got the alcohol on fucking Kia. You guys know what you're up to, eh? We just had him on for the past like fucking 3 minutes or... Alright, well, this is the same street that we walked down. What? No.
There's one right here, cunt.
Where is it? It's supposed to be a bike right around here. I don't know. Trying to find a second one so we can fucking head to the beach. Alright. Well, we're making our way to the beach. We're making it, people.
We're fucking making it. I'll let you know when we get a bit closer. Righty. We appear to have made it. Why does it look so much different, eh? I don't know. I guess it kind of looks the same, but kind of looks like, I don't know, it looks way different than what I thought it would look like, really. I don't know. This is where all the magic happens, eh? This is where the rocks that kind of smoked into. Fucking where the flags down there. Wow. Wow. We are in Bondi. Wow, Bondi Beach. Wow. It's not really that packed. I thought it was going to be way more packed than this, eh? Definitely pretty surreal being here, eh? Like I was hoping the whole TV crew would be here if I could just like go drown and stuff, get saved. I'm sure I'd end up on the TV show. I'll fucking tell ya. Made it to fucking Bombay, boys. Made it to Bondi. Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Oh fuck. It'll be rude not to try and make up a new one here. See if we can fucking pull it off here. You know what? I think that's gonna work. Another quick little message here. Been watching this guy pass. Oh, of course he stops. Surely he keeps going. Surely he keeps going. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, maybe he's just free like the birds. I don't know. This guy's just sleeping. Gotta love it. Lovely day at the beach and... Oh, what happened, mother? Oh, yeah, I mean, hey, that good of a day. Fucking calls for a second one. Ooh, bit of a skinter there, innit? Give you a bit of a poppy. Ooh, she's foamy. She's foamy. It's summertime, and there's people galore. This is good enough.
See someone risky.
Yeah, I kind of want to see that. That part would be pretty cool, but just drop the phone right quick, should be alright. Righty. Sure, this is dangerous, but what can you really do about it? That one was terrible. Absolutely terrible.
You know,
Pretty fucking hectic, car.
like some shit.
That is pretty rude to say.
Yeah.
Wow, cuz. Wow. Fuck, I was a mission to get up here. Just got some Macca's, gonna get back on these bikes and then head to fucking Bondi Junction. I was going in there for a haircut. Sideways anyway. Well, he's going in for a haircut, so, yeah, I just got really sidetracked then. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the hotel, start into these videos so I can keep the daily posts up. Try not to let that fucking slip, but yeah, we might end up letting it slip because I don't know if I'm gonna be doing shit every day. I don't know. We'll try. Get the daily updates till I can't. But yeah, gonna shoot back to the hotel and I'll update you to see what that kind of looks like afterwards. Oh yeah, pretty fucking fresh, eh, cousin?
No, not really.
Pretty fresh, eh? You like it?
No.
Oh, fucking look good as, bro. It's fucking way better, cuz.